everyone, this is the way to hard reset, the way to Singapore poor. Yeah, why we need to make hard reset? Because we unable to reset by go to setting and hard reset. When we go to setting, the phone show the white screen like this. But មូលហេតុអីដែលយើងត្រូវធ្វើការ reset Vertu Singapore poor នេះមូលហេតុមកពីយើងចូលទៅ reset នៅក្នុង setting វាចេញតែប្រទេសសវាអត់ចេញកម្មវិធីមកទេបាទហើយយើងចូលទៅកម្មវិធី Play Store ក៏វាអត់ដើរដែរវាចេញប្រទេសសដូចគ្នាយ៉ាងហ្នឹងហើយបានជាយើងត្រូវការ reset តាម key របស់វាការ reset តាម key របស់វានេះវាអាចនឹងធ្វើទៅបាននៅពេលដែលយើងមិនអាច reset ដោយការចូលទៅកាន់ setting បងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីនៅពេលដែលយើង reset factory setting នៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីឬក៏នៅក្នុង software ដែលយើងចុចលើអេក្រង់ហ្នឹងវាអត់ដែលចេះជួប Google ឬវាជួបអ្វីទេគឺវាដើរតែម្ដងក៏ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលយើង hard reset ដោយការចុចប៊ូតុងគប់គ្នានេះវានឹងធ្វើឲ្យយើងជួបនៅ Google account ធ្វើឲ្យយើងពិបាកដោះអញ្ចឹងហើយបានរាល់ពេលនៃការធ្វើការ reset ទូរស័ព្ទហ្នឹងគេអត់ចូលចិត្តធ្វើការចុចប៊ូតុងដែលយើងហៅថា hard reset ហ្នឹងទេ everyone when we unable to reset by using the setting and factory reset we must be go to hard reset by pressing all volume or other key with the power key and go to recovery mode. After we go on recovery mode, we can select the factory reset that we call hard reset. Reset by pressing the button. If we reset in the setting on the software, the phone will not log on Google account. And if we reset by pressing key that we call hard reset, when the phone full restart, it will ask for Google account. ครับผมนี่เป็นวิธีการทำให้ Vertu มาจากข้อมูลเมินโรงงานผลิตมาครับเราต้องกดปุ่มสำหรับการตั้งมันให้เหมือนเดิมเพราะอะไรครับเพราะเราไม่สามารถจะไปกับ setting แล้วก็ทำการตั้งใหม่ในสภาวะโรงงานผลิตมาครับอย่างนั้นเราก็ต้องมากดปุ่มสำหรับการเริ่มต้นใหม่ครับอย่างนั้นมันอาจจะติด Google account เราเรียกมันว่ามันเป็น account ของเจ้าของครับแต่ยังไงเราก็ต้องมาทำการแบบนั้นครับเพราะในวงจรซอฟต์แวร์ของมันไม่ให้ทำงานถ้าเวลากดเข้า setting แล้วมันมีแค่สีขาวออกมาครับไม่มีอักษรอะไรครับเรามาดูดังต่อไปนี้ครับบ้านเรายังធ្វើការចុចហើយដើម្បីចុចវាបានវាមានអាកូនបតុងក្រហមមួយនៅពីលើនោះឃើញទេអាហ្នឹងឯងយើងធ្វើការចុចអាហ្នឹង yes this is the Vertu that it combined with at the button, the red button. We use the red button to combine to go to the recovery mode. Let's go.